23 times half. This is a whole number, so convert this whole number into a fraction, considering 1 as a denominator. To multiply this fraction with this fraction, just multiply top number together and bottom number together. So we are getting new fraction, 23 divided by 2. Divide this 23 by 2. 2 goes into 2 one time 2, 2. Subtract 0, bring down this 3. 2 goes into 3 how many times? 1 times. 1 times 2, 2. Subtract 1. Okay. So our answer should be like this. This is our whole number part, and this is our remainder, means numerator. This divisor will be our denominator. So 11 and half. You can also write this answer in decimal form. You can write 1 half means 0.5. Okay, this is mixed number, this is decimal number.